tech company will implant payment chip into your hand.
Did you see this on our aggregator?
I did not.
It was really hot.
That was hot when? How many
36 hours ago.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Tech company will implant payment chip into your hand. This, I mean, it's obviously terrifying, but it also totally makes sense.
Really?
I mean, it does, doesn't it? Your hand is never not with you.
You're right.
This is true.
You're right, but again, I don't need money to be with me at all times.
I know this like the back of my hand.
Come on.
Thank you, Jameson. Appreciate the super chat. This is big moves from the community. We're going to keep doing this. Don't worry. We're going to keep doing it.
You doing this?
Like the back of my hand?
Yeah, you convinced Mo.
There's no way you're doing this.
I mean, eventually.
Okay, how many people need to adopt this before you jump in?
So the tech is not that crazy. It's just an RFID chip. It's not like your whole phone is in your wrist.
Yeah.
It's like a size of like a grain of rice.
No, I get that, but I like that I can disconnect. I'm out.
It looks like you're under arrest.
I know. But if it's inside my body, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of that.
Nothing goes inside your body.
Not this. This just seems like
what goes in?
If it's saving my life, then yeah, I'll put it in.
Go ahead.
Yeah, like if I'm injured or something and you need to put some tech inside me,
go ahead.
Then go ahead. But to pay some bills, to get a coffee, nah, I'm good. I don't need it.
So what about Elon Musk's Neuralink?
But again, isn't his main objective for that to help people who are struggling?
Initially, but then eventually you're merging with the AI and you're superhuman and you're super intelligent.
I think
you're
that's
Googling and everything else.
I don't even think I'm on board for that.
You're not on board.
No. Well, again, that's so far in the future. I have no idea what that looks like and what it's going to be like.
Willie Doo's showing an image of the size of it. It's in between the pinky knuckle and the ring finger. Shout out Adam's apple as well. It does look like, it's much more minuscule than people might expect. The chip is about the size of a grain of rice, costs about $300, and does not come inside a credit card. Instead, it must be implanted in your body, preferably in your hand. Once you activate it using your digital wallet app, Wallet More says, you'll be able to make purchases at most businesses around the world just by swiping your hand. I mean, it'd be like, it's essentially how tap works on your phone, but in your hand. Right now, the chips are only being sold to citizens of the United Kingdom, Switzerland, and countries in the European Union. Almost 200 people already have the implants. What about you, Will? You didn't respond yet. I said I'll get it eventually. Mo said no chance. Nothing goes in the body unless he's becoming a medical cyborg for the purpose of survival.
Yeah.
What is going in your body? Well,
I'll give this a shot.
He's
but
giving it a
maybe
shot.
Like you later.
A little bit later.
Yeah.
A little bit later.